Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today here we have this site called Super Monitoring, and this is the best website monitoring software. Now if you are looking for something to have a better control onto your site, this site can really help you using the latest AI tools and features. So before we dive in, you can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial and as well exclusive rewards on this site. So make sure to check that out. Super important and highly effective. Back onto our video. Now talking about the features this site has, if you click on add your first check, you will be able to see it is asking for some confirmation. I'm going to be using yes, I want to use. Now what this will be doing is it will be creating your first check. Now what is checks on this site? These are basically the number of checks that you can get onto your site. Like for example, if you purchase a couple of checks from them, you can simply, let's say you have 10 checks left, you can check 10 different sites, or you can check a site 10 times. So if you head over to their frequently asked questions section, you can see why should I choose Super Monitoring. We have been operating on the market since 2007, monitoring website and web applications of clients from 22 countries around the world. We offer a wide range of features at attractive prices within simple and friendly interface. We constantly develop our service, implementing new features in response to needs and ideas of our users. We don't miss failures or send false alarms. So this is a really authentic site that you should try out if you want to really care about your website and look out on it, and it's something that you should oftenly use. So I really suggest you spending in a site like this. Of course they have pricings and plans. If you head over to that, and you can choose what plan is going to be suiting you the best. The cheapest one starts from $5.99 per month, offering a wide range of features. Like for example these one, you can go through the list by yourself as well. Below you can see some extra features as well. Now if you simply upgrade your plan to a higher pricing tag, you can see the second one, which is the hyper, it goes to $14.99, offering some extra features which are not available in the super one. So make sure to try this platform out using the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and share with your friends. Until next time, see you in the next video.